Hello guys, to enable the extension of the internet download manager for Google Chrome, the first step is we need to search the idmgcext.crx file in my computer section. To do that, we need to go to the my computer, and there in the local drive C, you will find the program files, and after that we need to find the internet download manager folder, and there in the search button you need to write down the file name, and after that you need to search for it. And if you don't find the file in the internet download manager folder, don't worry, just minimize the window and go to Google, and after that you need to write down the file name, and after that download, and click on the search button. And after clicking the search button, you will be redirected to a window, and there will be so many searching options. I will click on the second website. Don't worry, I will give the link of the website in the description box below. There you can directly download. And after a little scroll down, you will find a pink color download IDM Chrome extension CRX file. Then there you need to click, and a new window will appear, and there you need to click on the download button. A new pop-up window will appear, just ignore it, and it will be downloaded automatically. And there it is in my desktop. I need to just extract the file here. Now the file has been extracted. Just copy the file, just copy it, and after that go to the previous window of my computer, and there in the internet download manager folder, there you need to paste the file. Just paste it and just minimize it. Now we need to go to the Google Chrome, and there in the extension section, to find the extension, there just click here and more tool, and then extension. The extension window will look like this. Just minimize it, go to the file, just drag the file in the Google Chrome extension window, just drop it, and there it is. Now a new pop-up will appear, just add extension, and there it will be added to your Google extension section, and there you can enable it or disable it. Now you can enjoy the IDM extension with Google Chrome. And to reconfirm that, we need to click on a more setting, that is just open the IDM download manager, then options, and after that just confirm that the Google Chrome is selected, then OK, and there it is. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share with your beloved people. Thank you for watching Utopian Days.